Amber has explained why she has hired these new lawyers for her appeal case. Of course, she lost the infamous defamation trial against her ex-husband Johnny Depp, and now she has further appealed for yet another case. But that's not it. Amber Heard has employed an entirely new legal team.
Because she did keep one of her trial attorneys. They may have had a difference of opinion, and maybe she just didn't want to continue on with the representation, but it is not unusual to have different attorneys to handle the appeal.
Interesting. Yeah, so Rottenborn will be...
And people are asking questions. While she hasn't revealed much, she still has said enough for us to understand why she would need a new team while ditching her previous one. Keep watching this video to the end to find everything you need to know about Amber's new legal team. To begin with, Amber's lawyers have not only embarrassed her in front of the entire court, but videos from the trial have made rounds all over the media, humiliating every bit of self-esteem that Amber was left with after her defeat. According to a few legal experts, Amber could have been defeated a bit more properly. Let's talk about Elaine, Amber's prime legal advisor and representative. Bredehoff defended Heard when she took on Depp earlier this year after the Pirates of the Caribbean actor claimed in a 2018 op-ed published in the Washington Post that his ex-wife had defamed him. Depp was given $10.4 million in damages after weeks of testimony from witnesses, including Heard and Depp. The jury mainly sided with Depp. Heard received a $2 million reward as part of her countersuit victory. But shortly after the decision was made public, Bredehoff revealed Heard's intention to challenge the ruling. The appeal was formally filed last month. However, according to a news statement released today on August 15th, Heard has retained a new appellate attorney as Bredehoff will no longer be handling the case. After Bredehoff's official departure, the matter was handled by David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr, who successfully defended the New York Times against Sarah Palin's defamation lawsuit earlier this year. In a joint statement, Brown and Axelrod said, "We welcome the opportunity to represent Ms. Heard in this appeal, as it is a case with important First Amendment implications for every American. We're confident the appellate court will apply the law properly without deference to popularity, reverse the judgment against Ms. Heard, and reaffirm the fundamental principles of freedom of speech." Ben Rottenborn, Heard's current attorney, will join Brown and Axelrod in the case, although Bredehoff claimed that the appeal provided the best occasion to pass the baton, at least for her. She continued, "I have pledged to Amber and her appellate team my complete cooperation and assistance as they move forward on a path towards success." Elaine really needs to let us know where she attends law school. Just as an aside, we are taken aback because Amber should have won easily given her experience as a lawyer. During the trial, Elaine was seen struggling while cross-examining witnesses, and even while defending her own client.
I'm trying.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. I'm going to object to the extent it calls for hearsay and lack of foundation.
Overruled.
An improper expert opinion.
No.
Objection, Your Honor. Objection leading.
What if anything? And that does cure them. But overruled.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
I'm entitled to go into what Ms. asked.
The objection is leading. I'll sustain the objection.
Objection, Your Honor. Leading. Objection, Your Honor. Leading. And hearsay.
It's leading. It's my
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay. Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question. Next question.
Yeah, okay. I don't have any more questions, Your Honor.
All right.
Done.
That must have disappointed Amber, as she desperately wanted to bag a win for herself against Johnny Depp. But now that Amber has hired a new legal team, does this mean that Elaine was fired and did not leave the team voluntarily? While that is yet to be revealed, let's take a look at what people have to say about Elaine as a lawyer. A user tweeted, "What, if anything, did Elaine Bredehoff learn in law school? I truly can't understand why they chose to play the Adam Waldman deposition that shows her being shot down again and again, as she asked the same questions over and over again."
Because basically what this said, Amber had an enormous amount of evidence, although a lot of it was suppressed in this case as opposed to the UK.
That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.